Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how to make carrot oil for brighter skin and also for your hair. So here is the quantity of carrots I am going to use. The quantity depends on the amount of oil you want to make. Right now I want to go and wash the carrots. I just finished washing the carrots now, and I am going to dry it with a paper towel. Time to dry it so as to reduce the quantity and the amount of water in it. Then the next thing is to scrape the back. Then I use my paper towel to dry it one more time. You have to dry it very well. Time for me to grate the carrots. So this is the grater that I have. I am going to use, it has different teeth. This is the smaller one and this is the biggest one. Okay, so I'm going to use this for it. So can you see how the carrot is now? This is my grated carrot. So it is now time for us to transfer it into a pan. So I'm going to use this my dry non-sticky pan. Then you on your heat. Your heat should be on the medium. Do not put it high. Do not increase it. Just put your heat on the medium to avoid the carrot getting burnt. Then add your olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use any other type of oil. You can use coconut oil. You can use almond oil, but this is olive oil that I'm going to use. Add as much as the one you think that can contain the grated carrots. Allow it to heat a little bit. Just a little bit. Then add your carrots, your grated carrots. Always remember that this should be on a medium heat. Medium heat, please. So I am going to leave it on this medium heat for about 30 minutes and we'll be back. So this is like after 30 minutes. We'll have to leave it for another 15 minutes and we'll be back. Can you see the color is changing? The color of the oil is changing. It means that the carrot has started to infuse its oil into the pan. That's why the color has started to change. So let's leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes more and we'll be back. So guys, this is like after another 15 minutes. Can you see how it is now? Can you see it? The carrot has finally infused its oil into this pan. So as you can see, the color has changed. It has changed. And the most beautiful thing about this is that it's not burnt. As you can see, the carrot is not burnt. Can you see? It is not burnt at all. That is why you have to do it on a medium heat. And also, you try to use a non-sticky pan. That is the secret. So it is ready now. See how quick and easy it is. It's ready. It is ready. Like very ready. Like ready. It is very ready now. So guys, we are going to leave this now to cool down for some time. It will cool down before we come back, okay? So let's allow it to cool down and we'll be back. So guys, this is after it has cooled down. Can you see how it looks? So right now I am going to be using this. This is my wig cap. This is a wig cap. I am going to use this wig cap now to sieve it. I'm going to put it inside here. So guys, can you see my carrot oil? Can you see it? So I am going to transfer it now into a container. So guys, here is my carrot oil. Here is my carrot oil, guys. If you want to use it to brighten your skin, you just have to add it into your cream. But me, naturally, I used to apply it on my skin like that. Like after bathing, you apply it on your skin. Apply it on your skin and you have a glowing skin. You can also add it to your moisturizer. This is a very natural way to have a glowing skin. And also this is also good for your hair. I'm sure you guys already know the importance of carrot oil. Thank you so much for watching. You can also use it on your hair. It's very good for natural hair, okay? Instead of wasting money going to the supermarket, going to the store to get carrot oil, why not make it in your house? Why not make it at home? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, and yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.